Hello everyone and welcome to this National Independence Day of Norway, 17th of May. Today is a big day. Boom. And we made profits. I am well today and I'm live. Let's see, I look so, do I look well even? Bro, like what happened? I look tired, like exhausted. What's going on? Anyways, people, do I look better here? Can somebody tell me like I look better here on the stream? Hello. Yeah, you know your National Independence Day, bro. You know we are celebrating the independence from Sweden. Like, what else would you do? Happy Sunday, DFI. That's a wrong day, bro. It's Friday. It's Monday today. Hola. Yeah. So, how do you guys feel? Like, how do you feel the suit? Is the suit good to you today? Should I do it more? Thank you. I remember DFI what you said. I just need to say thank you to you. I forgot to reply. I'm sorry about that. Oh. I need to check that you guys are not too loud on music. You're good on music. Good. Okay, cool. Field time. There you are. No, but it's not. Norway's Independence Day is not Independence Day from Germany, but maybe it is. Is it? No. I have to check that out. Probably. And nice to see you. Volvo time is here. It's Volvo time. Whatever's being said in this live is not for education purposes, only for education content / humor. Today we have a suit on. This is actually my wedding suit. Be kind to me. How are you doing, Prince? I'm doing very well. Godfrey, good to see you. Chief, good to see you too. Gitonga, congrats, bro. Great financial advice. Yeah, this is not a financial advice. It's only my view only. Dude, I've been on vacation. Sorry. you guys have to come back from Vegas, bro. You know, new drink today, Fanta. Or in Norway, we have something called Solo. This is Solo. I don't know. This is Fanta soda thing. So yeah, this is what we drink over in Norway. So 17th of Norway. Just have to mention that very fast. Very fast. No, you guys are bored. I know you're bored, but I don't care. 17th of May in Norway. This is how it's supposed to be. Tell me you're in Norway without telling me you're in Norway. This is our main parade, the main street. The children are walking in the street with Norwegian flags. Parents are standing next to them and cheering them up. And then they go over to visit the king and the queen. They wave at the king and the queen on the castle place, whatever you call it in English. There's a space just in front of the castle. That's where the children are waving to the king and queen, the crown prince, the crown princess, and their children every single year for 5 to 7 hours. I can't remember how much, but it's somewhere around there. So we suit up, and also in our national costumes, if I can find that very fast. This is one of them. There's a lot of local varieties. We have a different one for my local community to express how we how local traditions from far back on. How do you get a brunad Buddhism national costume? Your grandmother normally built it for you, makes it for you. It takes a lot of time, and it costs around $3,000 US if you want to buy one. The cheapest one, by the way, the cheapest one for $3,000. Fanta kills you. Yeah, of course it does. You're waiting for gold ounces. Yes, you're a great educator. Do you offer education, Godfrey? I would like technical analysis. Yes, there is in the description below or at ivanfx.com. There is ivanfx.com. If you go here, struggling with Forex trading, there is some courses. If you really want to, you are very much welcome. I would love to see you in there. Boom. Could gold fall today is kind of my proposition for today. I'm going to go through some fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and some seasonality on gold. Hope you follow along on that one. But first of all, sorry you're late. No worries, bro. One thing I want to mention to you guys. First of all, what pairs do you want to cover? And I'm just going to go through one very first thing. I wasn't here yesterday, I know, but I'm alive today. It wouldn't be a pretty sight. I don't know how the value it would have been for you guys for me to be there live yesterday with you. Health is probably more important than I know, so I'm trying to build myself up. So after this live, I'm not going to answer more text conversations or anything at all. I am going to do something totally else. And tonight there's a fireworks in town, so I probably want to catch the fireworks. Isn't that great? Catching the fireworks, that would be great. So, just mentioning to you right there, right now, this price right here was mentioned on the Saturday video I mentioned to you, around 77.29, and look at that. That is so beautiful. Boom. So if you're wondering if my strategy actually works for you, you're in profit. Congratulations. We are 30 pips in profit. But boom. Chief heartache. Oh, guys, 1819 May is no joke. Small account newbies, either skip it or trade carefully. Alerts. It's no joke. Fundamentally see economic calendar. MMWar. Saknade det igår? Ja, jag vet det, Magnus. Men jag sov väldigt dåligt. Så det gick inte bra. Så jag var inte med själv. Jag kunde inte sätta kaffekoppen på kaffeskålen even. So, yeah. I couldn't be here. Sorry. Happy Independence Day, Hardik. Thank you very much. Pairs like DXG, EU, and you can scrap all the good ones. Okay, cool. Thank you. You just made help profit. I make $10 to $40. Great, fantastic. That's fantastic for you. Good results. So I just want to point that out. That there was a buy price for you this morning. Congratulations on that. Euro, there was a buy price this morning. Congratulations on that, on 21.26. And pound, there was a buy price here for you at 40.80. Is that weekly? It's weekly. Should be weekly, bro. So cool. Yeah. I don't know why this is here though. Hasn't moved up. Maybe it's the other one paper points. So if this might be wrong, but I'm sorry about that. If so. And I'm not wrong, it's that I've been doing that one instead, and then M2 on New Zealand dollar. I have no other words for you boys and guys than happy profits. Boom. So you added lightning. Have you added lightning? Yes. Don't I look glowing, right? I glow up. Ja, Magnus. Jag kan inte snacka svenska, men det är den eneste måten för att kommunicera utan att många hör det. Eller förstår det. Men jag har inte många nordmän som ser på mig sätt så. Det går så. Det går så till. Ta tiden till hjälp. Jag tycker det är bra. So, what are people here for? Gold. Some gold analysis. I remember saying that, I think it was 18 area. I can't remember which one it is. Did I do that with gold? I actually removed it. Ooh, nice. But is gold gonna fall? I don't know. Are we finally going to see some gold movements? If you go to the CO2 report for gold, we can go to the CO2 report for gold. We have some pretty interesting movements at the moment. We have managed monies adding 13,000 more contracts on buy side. Shorts reducing 14,000 contracts, making this managed money thing go higher. So we have a big rise, I would say. compared to what has been happening ever since January, this is a large move for the past 3 months in this USD report. If you look into non-commercials, we have 12,000 more and 9,000 less. So both, even non-commercials or also non-commercials, another way of looking at the same thing, is another big high rise on the gold. So if we are generally looking for buys, well, it didn't happen this time around. I'm sorry it didn't come down to the buy price we all wanted and prayed for. I'm also sorry that we already gone to the target for the week. So my question then becomes, are we then going to go low back to 1832 before going higher? Or is this actually the month where we're finally seeing some bullish move that is just doesn't follow the pair points, just goes and goes and goes? That actually happens. And when we're coming into this day and era, I also want to mention seasonality. That was just seasonality for whatever reason. It's not, it doesn't necessarily say that this year is going to be different. But if we are now coming into middle of May, this is how it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be strong and then fall before going up again. Okay? It's supposed to rise and then fall. So, seasonally wise, you can actually see a drop in gold. But this is not a bearish price, is it? So today, I'm going to say something to you here. Be careful. This is not a buy. This is not a sell price. This is not where you sell. This is not where you sell. This is not sell. Do not sell at the current moment. But if price turns lower than 1840, makes a double top, comes back down here again, oh, we're game on. We are game on. But until then, and then maybe 1820. Until then, we're totally game on higher. So, is gold going to fall? I don't know. You can prepare for it. I just showed you a plan which you want to see if you're going to buy, if you're going to sell it. But currently, we are still going higher. We're still looking for this one to go higher. So, I would say going higher. What's the target, bro? Well, my small price, I have mentioned in my brain sometimes, some back forth is $2,000. Is it ever going to? I don't know. It's just my somewhere in the air. But I wanted to go to 2,000. Why do I want it to go to 2,000? I want us to come back up at the highs of 2,000. Now, of 2040. Now, is that viable? Yes. Gold is actually fundamentally supposed to go higher according to my analysis. Well, seasonality-wise, it is supposed to go higher in May and then fall and then rise again. But if you look at what happens around June, that's a pretty good move. What happens around, that is 2019, 2020, we have June here. That is June, that's a pretty good one. Then we have June. That is June there. That's a pretty good move there. Not the best one, but July came in later on. And then we have June here as well. That's a pretty good run. Meaning, I'm preparing you right now for a bullish run on the gold. That I can't say to you without saying the whole truth, the whole analysis here, is that technically, this one can fall until June 1st. Technically, it can fall until June 1st. But it's not financial advice whatsoever, it's just my personal opinion. I need to prepare you guys for what if this is the time? What if this is the moment where we are rising? I don't know. I don't know the future. But just mentioning that to you. So, here's the crown. I just put yourself in the best potential possible situation as a gold trader. You choose your direction, whatever your mind tells you to do. But currently, I'm seeing a buildup in the buys in gold. I'm seeing that this is the time that we can go higher. I'm seeing fundamentally we are supposed to go higher. And then I am seeing that everything is possible in the Forex market, in the commodities market. So it kind of clicks in my mind. That's why I have this. That's why I have this live today. We're going to go through other pairs as well, I know. But it just, what if this is the time? And if it doesn't time, if this is not the time, we cut our stop losses at 1%. We didn't lose a lot. But if we gained what we were supposed to gain, if we take the moves we were supposed to take, boom. Chief, how are you, Ali? We would like to attire keep the suits on. Lady's gonna fall for you. Thank you very much. Only 8 liked for that fundamental. And then we can go into technical outlook. Okay, cool. We shall do so then. What is happening at the moment right now? So I have been pretty cranky on gold this year. It's not in my back pocket anymore. But apparently this was the buy. There hasn't been no buy here, though it does need to do one. Currently, it is at target. What do you do when it goes to target? Did it just go up? Did it just skyrocket? No, it didn't. Okay. What do you do when it goes to target? You probably take some profit. You reduce your lot size, and then you buy every time it goes higher at a support. As long as you're trading support resistance, maybe on the 15-minute time frame, or maybe on the 1-hour time frame. I don't know what time frame you're using. Totally up to you, your own discretion. But as long as price is going higher, and you are doing your job as you go higher, and then you cut your losses, you get out when it falls. At break even, hopefully the best. And if you catch some losses, okay, then that was part of the opportunity cost that you took. Buffett and Bill Gates, Musk, arrest whales will put out. I don't want to make considering the inflation, I think Fed are doing business for language. I understand they're concerned about inflation, but also concerned about hyperinflation and inflation of total inflation. Hello, Imam. Incitement. Lol. When is he bought? He never knew. Sir, please pound Aussie. I will probably do it in the end if I'm able to do it. My mind tells me I want to have some gold in my portfolio until this summer. I definitely would consider so, DFI. As a professional trader, you are, depending on your strategy, you are supposed to have a portfolio. Portfolio will have you some 30% of something, 30% of something, 30% of something, and 10% of something. I would say 10% could be gold, could be. 30% of something could be cash. 30% of something could be stock market. And 30% of something could be FX. The other 30%, or if you don't want to do stocks, you can probably also do, or instead of doing 30% cash, no, 30% stocks portfolio can also be bonds. That's way more, that's like less aggressive. But yeah, gold in this case is a safe haven that is making against FX and making against stock market, so you don't lose as much. That's all. Good evening, Jackson. But okay, that was that. So, where gold. I want to do more gold. So, gold is just rising at the moment. Do you think that gold is going to fall? Can gold ever fall in this market? Okay, maybe I asked that one. No crypto? I will do crypto soon. Will gold fall? You ask that question and I will do the crypto in the beginning time. Please welcome me, whoever is new here today. My name is Emil. I'm a Forex trader. I've been training Forex for 7 years now, probably 8 soon, actually, to be honest. They've heard 7 for so long now, it probably is 8 without me knowing it. I do mostly Forex, do mostly dollar pairs, yen pairs against all the commodity pairs, and I normally use pivot points and price action. And if you find that interesting, cool, please follow along. I also use fundamental analysis, and tomorrow I'm going to be on Trader Nick. tomorrow at probably around 4 p.m. my time, which is around 10 a.m. New York time. So if you want to be there too, that would be great. But yeah, so currently we have a target on the monthly on the pivot points, where might be the bottom of Bitcoin, by the way. So one of my Bitcoin friends said, "Right, what do you think, Evan, right now? Where do you think price is right now?" Let me see if I can put it up. Couldn't. So we are currently at the target for the month for Bitcoin. Does that make you worry about maybe we'll go up from here? It definitely makes me worried a bit. No, I wouldn't be sure about selling it anymore, by the way. So if it comes back up to 52, maybe that would be a great place to sell again. But currently, if I'm a seller, I would get out. If I'm a buyer, I would probably consider it. Gold is into the top of the ascending channel. Can USD fall? Gold can fall after July. Inflation, hedge gold, and most liquid assets, US dollar, both bull. Cryptocurrency, stocks versus us down. Okay, US down. Cool. I'm just saying that we might probably, this is financial advice whatsoever, but you know, I'm saying that we might be heading higher soon on the Bitcoin. So yeah, might heading higher soon if market is still doing what it's supposed to be doing and not acting stupid. The other thing to gold was, yes. So when will this end? Let me take that away. When will it end? When is the end of the rise in gold? I have seen the analysis, DFI, and I totally agree with you. So if we can put the end here, the end of the bullish run is probably 1st of August. So 20th July to 1st of August. Around there, that's probably around the end. Maybe maybe just do 1st of August. From 1st of August, actually, to be honest. That's what I'm thinking. The other thing that I'm also thinking is that I posted to you guys. So let me see if I can find my channel here somewhere. Put up my channel here. We'll go to community. I posted this gold trade here. That is what I want you to buy. 1812, that was given to you. Congratulations. The plan for 12th of May, 5 days ago, was made buying from around 1st of June, around 1st of June, buying for around 1st of July, and ending 1st of August. Okay, cool. Also, maybe until the end of February 2022. So, where do we go into normal currency now? So I'm done with gold. I've just proposed the reason why gold should rise. But yeah, so cool. No, maybe also Australian dollar. Are you guys interested in Australian dollar? Euro. Where's Euro going? Is Euro good? Can we do USD? So which pair would you want me to do next? You said you replied to that. Good. Chief gold. We did gold. Pound dollar. We can do that. Dunkirky. CAD yen. CMS Pepperstone. USD. Happy Independence Day. SZ looks good. No crypto. Gold. Okay, cool. So we have, by the YouTube members, has asked for Aussie dollar first. So if you're a YouTube member, you get that service first. So it only costs you $5 a month. You're welcome. So the absolute best buy price today was 77, 32 and some change, 31. Did you buy down here? That's totally up to you. That was your chance. If you didn't take it, I can't take it for you. It was in the video. I mentioned the Discord channel. I mentioned in the mentorships channel as well. So if you didn't take it, I would be definitely very wondering what I don't tell you guys. But yeah, other than that, good. Where's the target, mate? 77.34. Straightforward, mate. Or just building positions, building positions, building positions. Trading. Cool. So yeah, what are you going to do tomorrow then? I'm going to go down to daily pivots, and I will do that with the mentorship students and go higher. Cool. I will post a video for them as well tonight. Hey James, Herbert, here light. Use the CAD if we have not missed it. I have not missed it yet. 77.33. That sounds like a good deal there, mate. You had my buy set to 77.30. I think that is a bit too low, generally speaking, Michael, because I would say 77.40 is like the support line. So for every pip you got lower than 77.43 on a technical perspective is extra points. It's like if you can get down there, you're like, oh great, oh great. Like it's extra karma. So yeah, good on that one. And price is going back up to there. So what could be the risks? The risks to this one is the Australia-China war, as far as I remember what it was. And there was some selling off that China is, what do you call it? China is threatening Australia with. That could send Australia down. But so far, we're still bullish because the DXY is falling. Yahoo! All right. Good day, mate. It's a good day. Hello, Abraham. Yeah, and currently, yeah, but yeah, also yeah, kind of yes, but it's the demand for gold itself. It's fear, and dollar itself is fear. But when dollar falls, gold goes up, but because of gold being bearish, not because of gold being strong. Nice British accent. That day. So me and whoever this guy here, he's called Harold in here. Yeah, we had a long chat today. So me and Boris Johnson is gonna have a nice chat of how to speak proper British as of late. So yeah, pretty great. We can do that. We can do some horse riding with the Queen of Cambridge. No, the Duke of Cambridge. Other than that, yeah, day trades for tomorrow for the mentorship students. Trying to limit that one. And if it falls below M2 again, I'm not interested. I'm out. So, I don't know. Stop loss is still below here. So, still below 77. So, we shall see how that goes. Yeah, me and Boris, we need to have some proper education. Please visit for education. So cool. Cool. So yeah, cool. Euro. We had the buy entry this morning. Came up down later, didn't take it, and now we're just going to go higher. Well, we're tilted to the upside, frankly. And what else, bro? Nothing else, I guess. Pretty nice uptrend nowadays. Give Boris a kick. Yeah, I would do. I would do so. I'd give him a piece of my mind. Pound. Me and Boris, we're not agreeing about this pound thing. Pound is getting stronger. That would be great. We had some buy entries down here. That is great. Buy entries in here. Come back down again. We're going higher. Come back down again. we're going higher, and see where things takes us. I think it's a pretty standard procedure operating in here. So yeah, great. But boom. What's wrong with this music thing? Pound yen didn't come quite down to the price I wanted. I do agree with that, and you know, it is what it is. I guess can't really blame him, can you? So it is what it is. New higher high coming in on pound yen as this morning. No, as this evening. So maybe you will get a pullback tomorrow morning, and you can catch this one train higher. All in the trading book as to trading trends. Well, am I fearful that it can fall down to central before going higher again? Yeah, I am. But you just reduce your risk. They just don't apply too much risk to your trading. It doesn't bother. That doesn't need to be bothered than that. So yeah, pretty good, pretty standard operating procedure here. Buying at support. It is so difficult, but so easy. New Zealand dollar, another one that is just going higher, can come back down again, going higher, going higher, going higher, continuation higher, all the way up to 73.59. Let's stop on pound for a minute. So weekly buy prices, weekly buy price, weekly buy price, weekly buy price, weekly buy price, weekly buy price. Sometimes it doesn't come, and sometimes it does come. And this week it did come to the buy price for the week, so pretty good, pretty good. Boom. What else, bro? What else do you want me to do today? USD CAD. All right. Okay. Did I say 2140 the other day? Yes, on the forecast. That's actually, I have to go check it out, bro. Let's go check out my forecast. See, I'm live. And then we have some USD CAD. Where is it? Where is it? Of course, I can't remember where it is. US oil has to be before US oil. USD CAD. Okay, that's what I say. What did I say? I said 2112. That sounds pretty good, doesn't it? Yeah. You guys got, I said 2112. That's that price, right? We got that price. And then 2148. That's the other one, 2144. Yeah, cool. You guys got those prices. Boom. I gave you the prices beforehand. So Australian dollar should be in profit. Euro dollar should be in profit. Pound dollar should be in profit. New Zealand dollar should be in profit. USD CAD should be in profit. What an amazing day! If you're not in the clan today, if you guys are just zooming around, I don't know what you guys are doing, but yeah, cheers, celebrate. It was all in the weekly forecast. Now we're just picking up the lines. So what are you going to do tomorrow? Buy the pullback, sell the resistance, and USD CAD. Where is that? You can ask me. Probably around 21. I don't know if the guys are going to get there, but you know, it would be great if it does. I wouldn't bother if it does. So I'm kind of not done with my live show today, but I want to hear more from you guys. What are you guys looking at? What's the chat telling me today? Pound, dollar, Dunkirky. Are you happy with it? Happy with analysis? Analysis. I could even spell analysis today. That would probably not work tomorrow. Yesterday, anyways. Hello, Trader Nick. Wow. Trader Nick. Is he Trader Nick himself? Really? Coming in, looking into profits on the euro, profits on Aussie, profit on New Zealand, profit on the USD CAD, as per the analysis. Thank you. Should you sell a lower low, Killer? No, you should not sell a lower low. So you have to wait for a pullback. A pullback normally happens around, give or take, before London Open, so probably 6 or 7 a.m. So that's in probably 10 hours from now. That's probably when I expect the highest point. So yeah. Which candle was that this morning? That was 6 a.m. I would probably think it would be around this candle here. 7 a.m. That's around 13 hours ago. Yeah, oh yeah, I remember that to be true. Yeah, I need to prepare myself. I need to look through your forecast and stuff. I didn't get a notification. I don't know what I did, but I didn't get a notification for your forecast yesterday. So I don't know where it went. But yeah, thank you for passing by. The pound news is coming this week. We should be more pushed to the upside if the news is bullish. Ireland is now 1930. Yeah, that's 1 hour earlier than me. The other thing, Childrenic, is, or for everyone else, there is National Independence Day today, if you wondered. So that's why I have a suit. I have this thing and the, what do you call it? The flag, Norwegian flag, is there. Way. So, should have been out celebrating in the streets, waving our flags for the independence, going and parade, eating hot dogs, eating ice cream, looking at nice cars. Yeah. I'll take that away. Where to buy USD if it comes back down again? That would be great. Check gold, please. What would do so? Nick will be on the show tomorrow. Yeah, Magnus Dahlberg, please do. Please do. And what would be the target for the week? I think you're talking about your dollar at the moment, Sanjay. And your dollar price target was mentioned a bit earlier, but I can also do that. Price target for this week is 22.28. And then he passed, and then he gone. He'd like go into the darkness. He never was here. You never saw anything, and you never heard anything. Where would be the pullback be? Yeah, and any price down to 120, 120, 120, 120, 126 is fair game. So yeah, CAD yen. Well, that's really some nice music. Dance break. You can go to the yen. It's like, it's cool. I did not post this yesterday, so I can't really take any credit for this one. But let's say that if you did do your job, that could have been your entry. Look at beautiful Norwegian women. Well, isn't this beautiful? Like, let me find some beautiful Norwegian women. See if I can find someone. Ah, come on, photos are not nice. Isn't this nice photos? This is actually the king and queen, by the way. This is the king, this is the crown prince, this is the queen, this is the crown princess, his wife. They're the children, they're very young at this moment. So yeah. Any thought on Israel versus Hamas? Okay, political stuff. And that's interesting. I can talk about that. without giving me death threats, if I choose Israel side or Hamas side. What I'm going to say about that is it has maybe some implication to gold. I don't know, maybe it has some implication to gold. That's the only implication I can find with it. Other than that, I want peace, harmony around the world. I would love that conflict to be done and over a long time ago. And other than that, whoever does whatever, I'm not going to say that publicly. What I mean about either side has to cease fire and find peace within their countries. So we all can live a happy life, do what we're supposed to do in life, and yeah. So part of that, I have no opinion about that conflict whatsoever, other than it might send gold higher. You wonder how Hamas terrorists are possessing rockets. You can go and ask. You can go and ask some countries around Israel that wants them dead. That's my answer there. But yeah, other than that, I'm not going to comment about that. Iran, if you didn't notice. But yeah, friends. They are friends. But I want them to stop so we can all live in harmony and peace for everyone. So that more people can trade Forex. That would be great. Canadian, I don't know, hope for a higher high tomorrow maybe, and then to pull back. That would be great. Other than that, anything as long as price is above 90, anything is a fair game on this one. And it's strong. It's going to be continue to be strong apparently. It has turned a bit lower in the Steam has come a bit out because it took profit, but didn't make a lower low, so that's still a fair game higher. Okay, so what's the target so far this week then? 91.12. Cool. So USD continues to weaker this week. Yes, Dunkirky, and it's going to continue to do that. Dunkirky? I don't know, maybe that's what we'll call it, Dunkirky. Qui. Jamaboo. We. Do we? Don't we? Can somebody send me a voice message? Like, I don't need to give you my phone number, so you can send me a voice message of how to say your name, by the way. I'm actually just guessing in the free air. $22 people, 303 likes. Cool. Thank you for joining, being in here today. Thank you for actually also telling your opinions today. That I appreciate it. What I've done with CAD, I think CAD is going to stronger. I think it's going to weaken. We're going to go lower. We have a buy price down here. I didn't take it, by the way, but that doesn't really matter anything. And yeah, continuation higher. Boom. Don Quixote? I don't know. And where was it from? Which name was it from? Well, which country? Is it French? The Flamingo. Heavenly Akasha. It's a pirates. Okay, maybe I can Google some. Do you know where they say it? In some kind of YouTube videos or something? Videos. Do you say it in videos? It's Spanish. Okay, yeah, I'm totally wrong then. I don't know. Does this probably... Yeah, I'm not going to do that. Okay, I will watch that on my free time, by the way. So, Aussie. I didn't like that low it made today, though, by the way. Aussie yen. I didn't like that. But who am I to care? Who am I to care? So this is what we're expecting tonight. Something around there. So yeah. By the harbor. This is the fireworks we're expecting today. So now you have enjoyed the fireworks well being are going to enjoy in a couple of hours at 11 p.m. So that's around 2.5 hours from now. I'm so random today. I know. I'm sorry. The seasonal low in USD would be when in this month. I don't know. Probably soon. What the living. Spot currencies. Euro. Seasonal low in May. It's supposed to be the end of the May. So Australian dollar up to 86 would be great. I don't know if we'll ever get it, but that would be great. So yeah, as long as it's still holding the threshold of 84.40, I'm good to go higher. Pound yen increasing as we're sitting here, hoping for a pullback tomorrow. That'd be great, and going up to 155.46. Euro yen up to what, 13.47 up here, 41, sorry, 13.41. Let me change that sound so you guys can see it better. Bearish highlight targets and then 25% maybe. Yeah, up to there. Bro, how can we find this trend is going to reverse, like divergence, like RSI indicators? Is there any other effective tool to know that the trend is about to reverse? All right, you are funny guys here. CMC today. Oh, there's more. You can Google how to pronounce Kategori in your free time. Yeah, I will. Are we at the buy zone on BTC daily? Probably yes, Loopy. What about oil? We can do oil very time soon. Cedric Ngoma. Cedric Ngoma sounds like a Kenyan, but okay, cool. Ngoma. No, Choma. If it's okay, you don't want to do it. It's okay if you don't want to do. I've already covered the BTC, by the way, bro. I have already covered it. It's in the beginning of this live. So if you are wanting to do BTC, I have already done it, and it's on the monthly target, and you're expecting it to reverse anytime soon. How can we find trend reversing? There is something called reversal of trend. How do you know that a trend is reversing and not really reversing? The trend reversal that you're expecting is, first of all, you need, let me go to monthly. Let me go to 4 hour, let me go to EURUSD. Allow me to explain targets. Okay, let me put on all paper points, by the way. Bullish, all disabled, maybe. Nej, väl då. That didn't go well, did it? Cool. So, this is the target for sellers. This is where price goes. And this is the buy zone for buyers. And okay, let me go to monthly here then. Monthly. All support lines, support resistance, OOP, bullish exit, there you go, 35%, bearish entry, exit, 35%, and then they go. Cool. So if sellers is here, and they take profit here, sorry, if this is the seller's target, this is the buy entry, then you expect price to go higher. If this is the target for sellers, the buyers, this is the seller entry, that's where you expect. So, first of all, you need target, TP. Second of all, you need a reversal pattern. How do you see a reversal pattern? Let me show you. Double bottom, higher high, higher low. So when you are at target, you have an entry zone, you have a reversal. That's when you're expecting things to turn around. You're expecting things to turn around here, Jeez. Turn around here, and you're expecting things to turn around here. Det mulig from here and from here. That's kind of what you're expecting and thinking. It can fall from R1 for whatever God knows reason, but it can also just coming back to the buy zone. Okay, continuation higher. So reversing, ask question mark, new lower low, new higher high. That is in a downtrend and uptrend. That is the sign for reversal. I don't need RSI. I don't need divergence, MACD, whatever shit, whatever things you guys are calling it. I just know that if in 4 hour we make a lower low, I'm expecting this one to turn around. That is my permission to go lower. It didn't go lower. That doesn't matter. Okay. Here we have a reversal at the target, after target, going around, coming down again, coming down again, coming down again. Oh, boom. Target goes back up again, sells again, target, sells again, better not, buy, comes up, sells again, buy. You know, that's how things goes, bro. Well, you didn't know how things were going out before you, but if you're thinking that this is going to reverse around after this uptrend, you're going to go down to that price, you got it in the end. Every time you're looking for sells in this position. Hello, Adeki. Very much to have you here. That is very effective. So if I say I'm expecting this one to fall from here, I think that is very grateful to look for a double top, lower low situation and then sell it here. Even though I don't encourage you to do it, I'm just saying that's what you can do. All right, pretty good, pretty cool. Where were we? Oil. Jeez, I'm far off today. I think it's all the sausages. You know, we have 17th of May. I don't know if you see that on TikTok or see it anywhere else, wherever you see it. I don't know, but we eat as much possible as pølse. So what do Norwegian eat 17th of May? We eat hot dogs. Eat whatever you want. Ice creams, waffles, whatever. Waffles, hot dogs. What's that? Something else we eat apparently. And seafood, ice cream, hot dog. There we have a hot dog with lumpe. That's a flatbread cake with potatoes. And then we eat this thing here. This is absolutely amazing. This is almonds, egg whites, and sugar. Powder sugar. Icing sugar. So I mentioned on oil to buy here apparently. And I mentioned buy price. Let's go back to weekly. Weekly. Yeah, here we are. Oh, what have I done here? What happened here? Have things moved since I did this? Why? Okay, interesting. That's just the buy price. I have to go back through the video and see what did I tell you guys? I said US oil to buy. What prices did I tell you? 64 something. 64.31. Did you get 64.31? No, you didn't get 64.31. Huh. That's M2. Why did I mention those prices? I must have been. So, okay. Whatever. I'm sorry I didn't mention any prices for here then. But that was the price to go up from. Other than that, coming back down to 65.56 would be great. Going higher. Up to 67.84. Alright. So what do you want to talk about next? What's the next pair? Fanta and sausages, yeah. And ice cream. Next pair. What are we going to talk about next? So all reversals have double. No, they don't. But that's what I want to see. That's how I want to enter a trade. Because if price just falls out of thin air You can still go to your stop losses, by the way. If price just falls like that, that is just TP. That is not a reversal whatsoever, and clearly price goes up again. Okay, this is just a take profit zone. Purely price action, by the way. This is just a sell point. This is not a reversal. This is probably also just a target on the weekly, by the way. Let's see if that's target on the weekly. Yes, it was just a target on the weekly. So this is just how target reverses TP. This is how the market is reversing this way. Okay, this is a market reversal. Have you covered Australian dollar, US dollar? Yes, I have. Yes, it makes sense. Thank you for the explanation. You're much welcome. So, if anyone here is new today, I will kindly ask you to subscribe. I will be live tomorrow at around 4 p.m. my time on Trader Nick's channel, and hope you guys be there. Also, hope you subscribe to this channel. Why? Because we are almost everything I said, almost anything I said on the live, no, the Sunday session, the Sunday weekly outcast, I am in profit on it. So if you lose money today, so far currently float, it's a miracle. I do not know what you did to discover losses today, but yeah, it was very straightforward today this morning. Australian dollar, US dollar was a buy at around 77.40, 77.30, whatever your price was, 32, 30, whatever it is, and then higher. So you should be in profit on this one. If you're not in profit, please give me a call. I will happy to help you tomorrow morning, and we are gonna have a blast. We're gonna laugh, and we're gonna see how much education I can put into your head as fast as I can without blowing your head up. So yeah, I would help you as much as I can, also for free, by the way. So don't underestimate me. I'm trying to help you guys out as much as I can. But if you want mentorship, there's on the website evanfx.com. So yeah, I feel like you guys are a bit slow today right now. Look what I said. Next pair. Dunkirky says makes a lot of sense. You're welcome. Oh, Harold says, and don't forget the snazzy T-shirt merch. Should I find the T-shirt? I should find the T-shirt. Where's your T-shirt? Let me take off my. I don't have pants on. Isn't that nice? That's nice, mate. Come on, winner. Anyways, there's a thing back here. I love that thing. Where do you get that? I will put the link there soon. Let the camera go. Where's the T-shirt? I guess it's somewhere here. This should be in the comment section. It says merge. Do you want discount? Contact me. Well, I guess that's where you go, bro. Don't let the camera go lower. Yeah. What did I do yesterday? I like to be socially awkward as of late. So I wasn't feeling well otherwise. So my wife called me, and she had a new friend over in the car, and she's like, I'm like, cool, this is great. So there was this friend that a couple of years ago, they were goofing around, pushing around like girls, whatever girls do, and then you know what she did? In the altercation, she was trying to bite her arm. Right? She tried to bite her arm. The friend tried to bite my wife's arm, and in the process, she, let me show you. She bit there. As all for visual content, adult content today, adult content today. So I mentioned that to her, and she blushed. She became like a tomato. When I mentioned that story, because there was a new friend there that didn't know about the story, so I just mentioned it just for the fun of it. Silver is actually a target. Bada bing, bada boom. Gold, silver's over. I don't know if it's over, but the risk for it falling is going higher. But I think this is a great opportunity to say that, you know, it might. I don't know why. What have I done? Have I tried to set up for the sell and then it went higher? Okay, cool, whatever. But anyways, that's a target. So anything pricer down to either 27.90 or 27.60 would be great to look for a higher price. Do you manually enter trades? Yes, I do. I set orders for London Open every evening around 3 hours from now on the central pivot for the next morning. So because sometimes field time, the low of the day is probably around 6, 7, or 8 a.m. depending. And 6 a.m. I'm not awake, by the way. I'm not on church by 6 a.m. So I do that as a precaution on the central pivot every morning, and or every evening, sorry, for the morning. Then when I'm there in the charts, I trade, but I normally set them up the day before. As pairs you discussed in the Sunday video, all missed entries by a few pips. I do. Well, don't. I guess write this down, Feldheim. Write this down. This is mentorship right now. Okay, we're not going to mentorship with you. So, what you need to do, you need to understand there's an area. Even though I want us to be spot on with the trades, pips, you have to understand. Right now, you need to write down area. Okay, it's an area I want you to go to. Even though I say specific prices, I don't really mean it. It's not that financial wise, but the thing is that it can be away with about a couple of pips. So the reason, the thing that I do, I don't speak openly about it though. But if you have a target, for example, for euro, target is 120. I ask you guys if you're then buying from 1700. You are then, at least per my mentorship course rules, you're supposed to do it by 1890, I think it is. 10 pips lower. Minimum 10 pips on the monthly targets. So that you get kicked out 10 pips earlier, there's a cost to it. But I have back in February last year, it came, or March, whatever reason it was, whatever month it was, it came down 5 pips difference, 5 pips, and then reverse negative 100 when negative 100. Okay, 5 pip difference, and the whole market went up 100 pips. So it's not really important for me anymore to do that. So yeah, welcome, thank you. Regarding silver, if it's breaking the 30 times, where do you think it's going to go? Oh, I don't know. Ice, baby. Ice, baby. I'm just going to go 30. Can we go 40? Ice, baby. No music today? Ooh, nice. I will do nut gas very time soon, don't worry. 30, if we break 30, mark, 34, 35. 35 is the next one then, or 34, 32, 33, probably. 33 or 35, depending, 50, yeah, of course you can always hope for it. Of course, hope. Killer asks, please net gas falling now or no? It's a new higher high on the 4 hour. I don't know what you guys been smoking and drinking, all those things, but that's a pretty good high. So I guess it's hit some targets then. Yes, it went well past the target. So I think you should be very, very happy with your buys if you bought it. And if you didn't buy it, then there's no need. Wait for it to come back down again before buying it up again. This could be a target for someone, and then coming back up again, something like that. Up to 33.22. You guys are very much welcome. Hey, thanks for the stream. I'm head out, take out. Okay, people, thank you guys for coming. Doing a lot of promotions today. Apparently, I'm a very good salesperson today. I don't necessarily do that every single time I'm here. I don't want to push you or anything. So maybe next time, maybe tomorrow I won't mention anything at all. Who knows? Okay, have a great day. Well, within 5 or 10 pips, yeah. So if you don't get it, don't be, and also don't beat yourself up a fail time about it. I've done that many times. I do that all the time, by the way. And sometimes I get into something good, don't. And I just realize I just need to be a bit more wiggly with my entries. Just get it over with. And if it's 50 pips stop loss, it's still 50 pips stop. It's still a good time for the price and market to turn around. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. And if it goes down 51 pips, I was probably a wrong entry anyways. So you gotta, yeah, just learn as far as you live, bro. Learn as long as you live. Okay, have a great day. Happy Independence Day to Norway. Carl, you sound like a new guy. Thank you for joining in. Happy to have you here, guys.